Are you battling with sound issues, condensation in winter or high heat in summer? Is your air conditioning running 24/7 in summer? Well, today's video I'm going to be talking all about double glazing. It's not so common here in Melbourne, but in my hometown back in Southland, New Zealand, you'd be bloody mad not to have it. Stay tuned. It's interesting, where I'm from in New Zealand, every new home or renovation needs to be done so in double glazing. There's massive benefits to double glazing. There's energy efficiency, making it warmer in winter and cooler in summer, reduced noise levels, reduced condensation, just to name a few. Now, a lot of our customers ask us after building a new home if there's any way that they can install double glazing, mainly to try and reduce noise. Unfortunately, in Australia, the aluminium extrusions that are used here by the window manufacturers cannot be retrofitted. So this decision needs to take place before your home is built and before you've confirmed the window types. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped. To learn more, download our free guide or feel free to get in touch.